welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Symphony for those of you who don't know me, and today I just wanted to sit down and do my 2021 vision board. I know I'm a little late to the game with this one, but I figured better late than never. What actually happened was I was planning on filming and uploading this video like the second week of January, but COVID got me. So your girl was out for a couple weeks, just dealing with that and whatnot, and then I had stuff that got backlogged because I was sick. So yeah, I had to get all that stuff cleared out of the way for me to be able to sit down and film. So all that being said, I've kind of decided that, you know, February is going to be like the real start to my 2021, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's why I'm just now getting around to making a vision board for 2021. But this year I'm really just focused on building better habits that are going to help me have, you know, a healthy, and, you know, productive 2021. If you're interested in checking out exactly what habits I'm looking to build in 2021, you can read my blog post. I'll leave it linked in the description box down below for you guys. For future reference, I will always have a blog post linked in the description box. It'll either be a related blog post, so I'm doing a vision board today, so I'm gonna show you my goals blog post, or it'll be something that I think you'll find interesting as well, or that's like around the same kind of like topic, you know? But yeah, so if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the blog and to this channel for more content from me. But enough intro, let's go ahead and dive into making this vision board. Alright guys, so I went ahead and made myself an iced coffee, and now I'm going to sit here and just scroll through Pinterest and find some images for my vision board. Alright guys, so I'm just now getting my photos and stuff printed. It took a little longer for me to compile all that stuff than I would like to admit, but yeah, so now once these are all printed out, I'm gonna go ahead and cut them out and then grab my board down, and then we're gonna start compiling this thing. So right now I'm just cutting out my images, and right now I'm working on like logos from different brands that I would like to work with this year. Guys, I am like the worst cutter known to man. Like I struggle with getting like straight lines when I cut. I want to be crafty, but me and scissors are just not, we're not friends. But here we are, doing our best, doing what I can. So like I said, I got all of my images printed out. I think I'm gonna need some more images because I don't think I have quite enough to fill this big board. I kind of underestimated the size of this board. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to print out some more images, but the kind of images I printed off images that kind of resonated with me, that gave me like, you know, good vibes, that made me feel good, that made me feel inspired and creative. And so that's some of the images I have. And then I also have like some logos for different brands that I would like to work with, like L'Oreal and Summer Fridays, Converse, Beauty Counter, Aerie, those different kinds of brands. And then also I printed out some logos like Instagram and Pinterest, and I have a YouTube one somewhere in here, as far as like kind of like my Instagram and Pinterest and YouTube goals go. And then I also have quotes in here, of course, and then I have some like product photography photos because I want to get better at my product photography, and yeah, just a bunch of like kind of different things. That blog post that I referenced earlier kind of focuses on some certain things, whereas this vision board is more kind of like if I were to embody those habits, what my life might look like, if that makes sense. I think it makes sense. Anyways, so now I'm gonna just start like pinning down these images, or kind of like arranging them first actually, and then pinning them down so that I kind of have a general idea of like where everything's gonna go, see where I have gaps, and see where I can go ahead and just like add in extra images and whatnot. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So here's what it's kind of roughly looking like. None of these are pinned down yet. It's roughly looking like I definitely need some more images. So I'm gonna go back to Pinterest and find the extra images that I need to fill some more of this space. Okay, so here is my finished vision board. I definitely think I could go in with a few more images and whatnot. But I'll just go ahead and do that later because I've already spent majority of my day making this thing. So yeah. Alright guys, so I finished my vision board and I went ahead and put it where it's gonna live, which is right behind me on my desk area. I decided to put it here because I'll be spending a lot of time at my desk, you know, filming, editing, writing blog posts. I can also see it from my bed, which is behind the camera. But yeah, I think with vision boards, you should definitely put them somewhere that you're gonna constantly see them. Don't like tuck them away somewhere and then you're gonna forget what you put on this vision board. The whole thing is supposed to be like in your vision because it's your vision board. You know what I mean? Any hoozles. But yeah, so I put mine right there because I'm gonna constantly see it, constantly be reminded of my goals. It inspires me, it makes me feel creative, all that jazz. So yeah, I just felt like that was the optimal place to put my vision board for this year. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know if you made a vision board for 2021 or if my video inspired you to make one. Let me know in a comment down below. Also, make sure to check out that blog post and the blog, which is likethedrum.com. It's always linked in the description box, so check that out. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!